Hey folks, Monday morning, welcome back. Hope everybody enjoyed the long Thanksgiving holiday with their families. We're about to kick off a new week here. We're about to kick off the final month of the year. What a day Friday was. Markets got hammered with this new COVID variant. We're seeing a bounce back this morning in the pre-market hours. Dow Jones up 200 plus. S&P's at the moment up 35 plus. We're seeing oil up north of 5%. We're back up above $71 a barrel in WTI. We're seeing a bit of a pullback in the US dollar and some of these foreign currencies jumping up this morning after Friday. We saw that flight to safety. Everybody was rushing into the dollar, everybody rushing into bonds. We saw rushing into bonds. As a result, bond yields coming down on Friday. So again, seeing a bit of a bump this morning and a bit of a relief rally on the back of that move. So exciting week ahead. We're about to, as I mentioned, enter the last month of the year, which brings with us a lot of craziness in people trying to close out portfolios, particularly those institutional investors. So we do see quite a bit of volatility at times in this final month of trading. Now for this week in particular, we've got the November jobs report coming out on Friday, a big risk event. Again, more news and potential uncertainty around this COVID variant, something else to be aware of that could impact these markets. All right, folks, let's start the week off strong. I'll see everybody again tomorrow.